Hindi ba yung chicken feet? Actually, it's a politically correct term.
Articulation.
It's really the foot starts from here. You remember, this is the tarso metatarsus, and the tarsal bones are in the feet. So, paa na siya talaga. So, this is not the thigh, this is the shank. Ang thigh ito. Okay? And then, you can see the uropygial gland here. Uropygial gland. And, what is this? This is the phalanx of the first digit. Ganun siya, di ba? Ito, yan. Di ba? The phalanx of the first digit. Yan. And then, you're familiar with the comb and the wattle. This is very prominent in the male. Ano ko nung kutsilyo nating malaki. Okay, the first lesson that we have learned this morning is that the secret of what you do in the kitchen lies in how sharp your knife is. Okay. Okay. Working in the kitchen, working in the lab, in the compa lab, and doing your drafting have something in common. In drafting, never work with a dull pencil. Huwag ka magdo-drawing ng pudpud yung pencil. Dito, huwag kang magtatrabaho ng mapurol ang kutsilyo. Okay? Natin kutsilyo natin mapurol. Dali, pagtsaga natin. Yung imported na kutsilyo, ready lang natin. Kailangan ako nung knife na malaki-laki. Okay, tayo niya magbalat si first name ni Mrs. Suzuki. And si Clarice. Okay. So alright, when you cut the chicken, okay, you have to cut on the joints. Pag sa palengke, basta chop. But, yeah, you see, why should you not give chicken bones to your dogs?
Ma-allergy.
Because it's very brittle, and so when your dog bites on it, it breaks up into tiny splinters. Wala namang mas mapurol pa rito. Orange. Matalim tayo ba orange? I can imagine how it will be in your kitchen with knives like this. Pambugbugan tawag dito, no? Panghiwa. Asa na? Akala ko may kumuha ng matalim-talim na knife. Yung ginamit natin kanina imported na knife, asa na?
Ay, Jaja nga.
American bread.
Okay, akin na yan, pakihagis dito.
Si Mike, excuse me. Si Mike, nakatulo yan. Buka excuse.
Talay na.
Tandaan si Jenna naka-out.
Very Japanese.
Natin ka rin hindi mas matalim. Sus. Sa airport.
Yan yung ano.
Kawawa yung manok eh, nabugbugi.
Kain na. Agenda. Nga.
Use a little force.
My favorite part.
Wait, of
Okay, so we start by separating the breast muscle. Okay. Kailangan kasali lahat yan, ha? Pati daliri, sinapasok. Okay, so we do not want to cut the basal organs. That's why I have my fingers there. Wala ibang ginagawa yan dyan. Panghiwalay lang. Yeah. Pwede ang bakit ka na napapaa?